Hello again to this YouTube channel. Today I will share with you a small trick that gives us the ability to combine multiple sheets, content, some data in different sources. In this tutorial, I will working with Excel file, but we have the ability to working with any type or any other type of file. So to do that in Excel, so we go here to this data. Okay, we click the data. As we see with me here, we go to get data. This is what's called the Power Query. Power Query gives us the ability to combine multiple datasets with different sources. So we go here to get data. So as we see with me here in this list, we have different type of source of data. We have different databases. We have from other as cloud services. We have online services also. Okay. But here in our example, I will go to choose this folder because this folder content some other or content some files of Excel. So we click this from folder and we go to choosing our folder here. So in my case is cells. So I try to work in this small data set. I try to divide it with different um, files or consider it like files. Yeah. Well, here as we see with me, this is our table. We go here in this button, we click combine. So inside of this, we have combine and transform data or combine and load, combine to load to some other destination. So in our example, or from this tutorial, I will choosing this combine and transform data because I need to clean it before make it in some place. So we click here, combine and transform data. Okay, waiting some time. Okay, this window open with us. So we go to this file parameters. We click OK. Okay, and waiting a few times to see this process of query is working with us. So this new prompt so is for Power Query. So this is our data. So as we see with me, we have source name and we have table here. So, well, we are not interested with other features. We cannot just choosing these tables because we want table. And what I will do now, I will go here in this ribbon and I will choosing remove other columns. I mean, I don't want the other columns. I want just table feature or table column. Okay. So we have table here. We click here in this right side. So we check this origin column name as prefix. We click OK and we see the magic here. This is our data, all the data content in this file. I will making some small cleaning process. But before that, so we see here this name of columns is duplicated here. What I will do here, here we see we have column 1, 2, 3. I need to make this first row as header. To do that, I will just go here and will how we can do that. Yeah, here use first row as headers. I click here, use first row as headers. Okay, so I make this as my headers of each column that I have in my dataset. I will click here other and they will just in check this order date because it's repeated in each column that we have here. So the data it's coming clean now. I have the ability to trace or change the type that we have here in each column. Here we have date. I will choose in as a dates. Okay, and the region is a string. I will not change it. Also for manager, we have salesman. We have item also. We have units. I can make it as a decimal number. Also for unit price. Okay. And for sales amount also I make it as a decimal number. For months, it's okay to make it a number. So we have the ability to extract some other information here in this order date. For example, I can extract the year, can extract day, I can extract hour sometimes, but I will do that in other tutorial. Just I will show you how we can combine different sources or different file in some folder or in different sources to make it in one sheet. So after this small process, I go here on this left side, we have close and load. Okay, we have this. Okay, I can close and load it in the same sheet, or I have the ability to address other places. If I want that, I will click here to close and load to. Close, load to. This small prompt opened with me. We have a table, people table report, people chart, only create connection. So in my case, I want to make it in another new worksheet. I click OK, and the magic coming here. And this is all the data I have here. Okay, and I can save it. And let's make my